Okay, so today I'd like to introduce abstraction. So the abstraction is one of the major features of the object-oriented programming, and basically the abstraction is just the interface. So for example, if you create a lot of classes and subclasses, you can define this abstraction or abstract class as the API for subclasses. Or you can also think like working with a large team. This abstraction can be helpful as kind of load map of your classes. And in a programming language, there are 4 types of the interfaces. For example, C and Java use static typing, and some might hear already about the duck typing. But this abstraction called goose typing, and the feature of the goose typing is runtime checking. So we like to see runtime checking together as well. So let's actually call it right now. So say ABC and import ABC and abstract method. And here I create a first class called singer, and I pass here the ABC. And now I create a function that's called sing, and before that I actually put properties called abstract method, and this basically tell this function sing is the abstract method of this abstract class. So here I don't put anything, so I just pass it. So now I create another class called Eminem, and here I actually pass this singer class. Okay, so now I create the first function, and this will be exactly the same the one before, because the abstraction is just the interface of subclasses. So you make exactly the same method functions, and so that it will be identical each other. Okay, so I pass the self. So instead of the pass here, you can actually type anything. So I say wrap code. Okay, so let's actually instantiate them. So I'd like to show you first how it's gonna happen if I try to instantiate this abstract class. So I'll say abstract and singer. So let's see how it works. Okay, so it say can instantiate abstract class singer with abstract method sing. So basically, these abstract class cannot be instantiated, which is not basically this is not allowed to do. So instead of instantiate abstract method, I'll instantiate Eminem here. So Eminem. Eminem. So let's run this code. So yeah, let's call the sync, and there you go. So it worked, and I say the wrap code. So these are the abstract method, abstract class, and this child. So now I actually do the runtime checking. So when you do the runtime checking, you can use is instance, and you path this instantiated object, and then you pass this abstract class next to it. So when you put Eminem and singer, and if you run this code, it say true. So basically this is how you do the runtime checking, and this will be a very useful tool, and some people really prefer to use this abstract method to the static typing. So if you have some opportunities, I recommend you to use one time or two times. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.